Hello guys! Magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. This is your guest from Asagri Channel, a faith healer, also mata reader. So ngayong hapon na to, tignan natin yung sabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. So this is a random gabay for the sign of Cancer. Cancer, welcome to my channel. Ano kayong messages, advices, and spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kanino kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Cancerian ng ating mga kagilap? So guys, this reading is a general reading naman, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo, comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And because don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell for more videos. Because maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawa pag-suporta sa aking channel. Lalo na hindi nag-skip ng ads na way pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal. Siksik liglig nag-uumapaw na biyayang manong balik sa inyo. So let's see guys, what is the messages, advice sa inyo ng ating angel spirit for the sign of Cancer. So let's see and watch this. Ano kaya kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Cancerian ng ating mga gilap? Angel spirit, please give information po. There's an ace of wands, something in new project, new plans. Dito papasok ang mga bagong proyekto, plano, pangarap, no? Maaaring magdadala sa inyo ng something, a new spark and new beginning, no? Iba yung kinang eh. There's a the moon card, something in truth reveal, no? There's something, the moon card, na maaaring magbigay sa iyo ng katuparan sa mga pangarap mo. No? Ano man yung mga bagay na hinihiling mo, mga bagay na gusto mo mangyari, matutupad na. And there's a chariot card. No, there's something in action and movement. No, magkakaroon na ng changes, kilos, paggalaw. No, there's a two of pentacles with a balance. So, kailangan mo maging balance, physical, mental, emotional. Additional messages, and there's something that Six of Pentacles, there's a giver receiving something by the universe. Some of you guys magtutuloy-tuloy na rin about sa finances, no? And there's a Ten of Swords, maging aware ka, no? With a sabotage. May mga taong sumasabotahe sa'yo. Mag-ingat ka. What is additional messages? There's a Nine of Cups, a wish fulfillment, sa may mga bagay na matutupad na. May mga bagay na may isa sa katuparan mo na. Plano mo to na maaaring magdala sa'yo or maghatid sa'yo ng panibagong simula. Let's see what is the Moon card. The Moon card represents the King of Cups. There's a devoted to 30 person. May taong sumusuffer at gumagabay sa dito. No? And there's a Seven of Swords with a sneakiness. No? There's a cheating lying on you. No? Maraming mga misteryo sa likod dito. And of course, guys, there's something in negativities. And of course, the secrets. Okay. There's a Seven of Swords with something in secrets. No? There's something hidden. Maraming parating. No, maraming mga parating na taong susubukan kang lokohin. No, maging aware. There's a Two of Pentacles. Represent with Two of Swords, there's a decision. No, timbangin mo yung magiging decision mo or plano mo, pangarap mo. No? Pag-isipan mo mabuti. No, yung bawat magiging decision mo dito. Hindi pwedeng magmadali ka, hindi pwedeng agad-agad. No? Hindi pwedeng magdesisyon ka ng ganon-ganon. Kailangan pag-iisipan mo mabuti. There's a Six of Pentacles. Reference with the Five of Wands. Something complications. No, especially guys, no, may mga nagbibigay complication o competitors. No, may mga kalaban ka dyan pagdating sa negosyo, pagdating sa trabaho. No, some of you guys na meron ditong hindi binibigay ng tamang sahod. No, meron ditong iniipit. No, sahod mo. There's a Ten of Swords or represent what? There's a judgment. No, wake-up call, kailangan mong gumising sa katotohanan. Or there is something, a wake-up call for you. Na you need to pay attention. Now, there's a red flag. Mag-ingat ka, may sumasabotahe sa'yo. May tumatraidor sa'yo. No, there's an Ace of Cups. The Ace of Wands because the Nine of Cups. The Ace of Wands because the Nine of Cups represent the Emperor. Maging mature ka and being grounded sa decision mo. Or plano mo. No? Let's see what is the Moon card because the King of Cups. There's an Empress card for revert. Now, excuse me guys. Magkakaroon na something, second chances. No, there's a self-love, self-care. Kailangan alagaan mo yung sarili mo dito. Lahat ng mga bagay dito maaaring malaman mo na. Matutuklasan mo na. Some of you ginagabay ng ancestor guides. Now, with your father or something brother. This is something, a male There's a mature male, no? Na maaaring gumagabay sa'yo. What is the chart card? Because the Seven of Swords. Represent with the Ten of Wands. No? Unti-unti ka na makakalaya dyan sa burden. No? Unti-unti ka na makakalaya sa kasinungalingan. No? Sa bigat ng mga pinapasan. Dahil kung ano-ano sinasabi sa'yo na walang katotohanan. There's a Two of Pentacles and the Two of Swords. Represent with the Five of Swords. Nagkakaroon ng self-sabotage dahil masyadong mababa ang loob mo. No? At tiwala mo. What is the Six of Pentacles and the Five of Wands? Don't you worry, there's a Justice card. May karma. Ano man yung mga bagay na ginagawa sa'yo, no? Babalik sa kanila yan. No? Kumapit ka dito dahil lahat ng mga bagay na nakakasama sa'yo, magre-reflect din sa kanila. No? Makukuha mo yung hustisya, karapat dapat para sa'yo. Maging balanse ka lang, no? Pagdating sa kung ano man yung mga bagay na pinangahawakan mo. Hindi ka pwedeng ura-urada, bira-birada, no? Kailangan mo mag-pay attention para wala magsilbing komplikasyon. What is the Ten of Swords? The Judgment. Represent with the Star card. Recovery. Na makaka-recover ka na at may pag-asa kang makalaya ka pa dyan. No? Dyan sa kumbaga kalugmukan dahil tinraidor ka. No? At may pinaalala dito ng ating gabay na makakalis ka dyan. No? Binibigyan ka ng paalala at babala, no? O senyales na kailangan mong umiwas nasa tao na yan dahil tinatraidor ka at maaaring niloloko ka. Let's see what is additional messages na pagdating sa outcome. Represent with the Knight of Swords. Some of you guys nagkakaroon ng anxieties, sleepless nights, no? Depressions, overthinking. Let's see. And because there is something, the Three of Cups, something celebrations coming in for you. There's an happiness. Magiging masaya at magiging maligaya ka na this time. Na nag-uumapaw na kaligayahan to. And there's a Knight of Wands, something guys with perseverance. Kailangan mo lang magtiyaga, no? Kailangan mo lang pagdaanan lahat ng to. Kailangan mo lang talaga maranasan to. No, at the end of the time, lahat ng bagay na yan, maaaring may susuklay ng harvest moment. No, there's a Queen of Pentacles. Just being practical. No, pagdating sa pagmamanage ng finances. No, let's see what is additional messages. And there's a Knight of Swords. No, there's something success driven. Magtatagumpay ka. Kailangan mo lang talagang magtiwala sa sarili mo. No, at bibilis ang takbo ng sitwasyon. No? And there's a Page of Wands. May magandang balita rin dito. Magandang balita na magdadala sa'yo ng bagong simula. No, there's something in new beginning. A new fresh start is coming. No, so let's see. What is additional messages? Pagdating naman tayo, guys, for finances and career. Let's see. No, anong ganap mo? Pagdating sa finances and career. There is a Two of Cups in a partnership. Some of you guys na magkakaroon ng partnership dito, no, magkakaroon ng negotiation, there's a strength with the confidence. So, kailangan mo lang talaga lakasan ng loob mo, maging matapang ka. No, mayroon dito pag-uusap talaga na magdadala sa'yo ng bago opportunities. And there's a many options, no? Maraming options to. No, kaya kailangan lakasan mo loob mo. And this is something that Two of Wands by choices. No, pili mo yung mga bagay na makakatulong lang sa'yo. Maraming bagay pa na opportunity na darating, pero kailangan piliin ng tama at wasto. And there's an Eight of Pentacles, just focus sa trabaho, negosyo, hanap buhay mo. Mag-focus ka lang sa ginagawa mo, sa pinagkakabalahan mo, lalo-lalo sa trabaho mo. There's a Seven of Pentacles with a harvest moment. Mag-harvest ka rin dyan at the end of the time, no? Ano man yung mga bagay na pinaghirapan mo, na aring malalasap mo yan, no? May fruit of labor. About sa love life, there's something, the Magician for a power of God, no? Ibinigay ito sa yung tao na to dahil makakatulong for you. And because there's something guys with the King of Swords, with the Stop the Pattern, putuloy mo yung mga bagay na walang kaugnayan sa yung mga bagay na hindi magsiserve sa'yo. Pagdating sa relasyon, maging wais at maging matalino ka sa pagpili ng taong mamahalin mo. Now, there's something, the word card, something in trouble. Some of you guys magkikita ng person mo. No, maaaring uuwi ka na. So, let's see what is additional messages. And there's a time for something a solid foundation. Na maaaring titibay ang inyong relasyon, titibay ang inyong pagsasama, magiging maayos ang inyong relasyon. No? And there's something guys with the Devil card. Mag-ingat ka lang with the Devil card. Na some of you may tukso, some of you may gumagawa sa inyong dalawa ng partner mo, and there's a Five of Pentacles para maghirap kayo. No? Kaya some of you guys nakakaranas ng financial crisis ngayon, dahil may mga gumagawa sa inyo. No, there's an evil eye. No, so let's see what is additional messages. No, pagdating naman tayo sa kalusugan nyo, there is an Ace of Pentacles, no? Ibig sabihin dito, kaakibat ng stress nyo ay ang pera. Nag-iisip kayo dito, don't you worry, magiging maayos na yan. There's a high effort for lesson learned. Matuto na kayo how to manage and control your finances. And there's a high fist, something hidden agenda, hidden enemies. Maraming mystery sa likod dito. Marami ka pang bagay na dapat malaman about sa kalusugan mo. There's a death card. No, gusto ka nitong sigiin. No, or your person. Kaya some of you guys, no, na gusto nito magastusan kayo. No, gusto nito maubos lahat ng pinaghirapan nyo. Dahil ayaw niya makinabang ka sa kanya. No, dito sa tao na to. Kumbaga gusto niya sa kanya lang. I think this is something an ex. Or lovers, no? Mari may gusto sa partner mo, may gusto, or ex nitong partner mo yung gumagawa sa inyo. No, there's a Queen of Wands, babaeng nga. No, babaeng may pag-aaswang pa ang gumagawa. So, let's see, what is additional messages tayo? No, pagdating naman tayo with the magical fairy messages, let's see. Okay, let's see what is the magical fairy messages represent what? Okay, this is something, your wish is granted. Wow, matutupad yung mga pangarap mo daw dito. Over. And this is something travel, guys. Makakapag-travel ka talaga. International, local. Ay, tara, galang-gala ka dito, yes, sir. No? And some of you guys, no, maaaring makapag-travel ka, no, international by work, no, dahil sa trabaho. And this is something, get some exercise. No, kailangan nyo may exercise dito. Marami na nananakit sa katawan nyo. Kakaupo, kakahiga. Let's see what is additional messages for Yin and Yang Oracle card. And of course, empathy with a breakthrough, magtatagumpay ka. Palaban ka dito. And of course, there is something, guys, with the Ace of Water. No? Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. And there is something guarded, no? Kung baga protektado ka, ginagabayan ka ng ating angel spirit, diba? Kailangan mo lang kumawala talaga sa mga kinakatakutan mo. No, you are dealing with the Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Ooh. So, let's see what is synchronicities represent what. And, of course, there's a something storyteller, no? Marites ka. No? Mahilig ka sa mga kwento-kwento. Kaya, kailangan umiwas-iwas ka. There's a storm. No? Meron ditong naghahanap ng butas para sinaan ka. Iwasan mo yung pakikipagtalakayan. Masyado kang, reporter. And this is something, guys, with a bravery. Kailangan mo maging matapang. Palaban ka dapat dito. What is additional messages with an angel spirit? Now, iwasan mo yung makikipag-chismisa sa labas ng bahay nyo, ha? Let's see what is the romance angel represent what? And there's a finances and future. Magiging maganda at magiging masagana pamumuhay mo dito. No? There's a magnetic attractions, no? Kumbaga, there's a passion, no, pagdating sa love life. Iba yung atake mo dito. There's a proposal. No, maaaring ikakasal ka na. So, let's see what is the additional messages with an angel's number. With an angel's number represent with a 1441. There's something a unique skills. May kakayanan at kakayanan talent ka dito, ha, na kakaiba. It's the time of intense self-development. Focus your mind on your craft. You already have what it takes to succeed, but its practice make you a master. It's also serve to find the true purpose. Leveling up in your career or business is of priority right now. See? Kailangan mo pagyabungin yung kakayanan at kaalaman mo. Hindi pwedeng, hindi pwedeng tahimik-tahimik ka lang. Hindi pwedeng mabulok ka sa ganyan. Kailangan i-show mo yan. No? Show you what you got. Ganon. No, yung kaya mo. No, malay mo dyan ka sumikat. Malay mo dyan pala yung magpaunlad sa'yo. Diba? Malay mo dyan pala yung line mo. Mamaya magaling ka magluto, magaling ka gumawa ng ganito, ganyan, no? Gamitin mo yan. What is the money matter? Represent what? And there's something closed door. Maraming pinto ang magsasara dito sa'yo. There's a start all over again. No good job opportunities. That current job is coming to an end. No, may matatapos sa kayong trabaho dito. No, maaaring matatapos sa yung kontrata nyo. And this is something, guys, with an expression, no? Kung mag-express your creative self. Ibig sabihin dito, may kakayanan kang sa'yo, magbibigay something uniqueness something, signature skills, no? Alam nyo guys, itong talent na to, kakaiba to, no? Maaaring magdadala sa inyo ng, something, pag-unlad. Baka diyan ka makikilala. Baka some of you may talent ka, no? Huwag lang kumain ng apoy over yan, ah. So, let's see what is the additional messages. We don't know what lies within with the kingdom future. So, let's see. There's a red lipstick stain. So, ibig sabihin dito, mayroon na bakas, no? Or ibig sabihin dito, may red lipstick dito na iniwang bakas sa iyong labi, na maging masaya ka at bigyan mong kulay, no? At kaligayahan ng buhay mo, no? Binibigyan ka ng impormasyon na maging masaya ka. Huwag masyadong, kumbaga, seryoso tayo sa buhay natin, pero kailangan mo bigyan ng ngiti pa rin, no? Huwag kang lungkot-lungkutan, drama-drama ka. Huwag kang masyadong, maging losyang, no? Let's see what's clarifying for love situation. And because there's something, guys, with a silent remnants. So, sinasabi dito, guys, na amid the uncertainty, love has the power to reveal and trust. So, ang pagmamahal talaga, yan ang magbibigay ng kakayanan sa iyo or kalakasan, no? Para magtiwala at para lumakas muli, no? Minsan, di ba, kahit nag-ginangster tayo, pero yung pagmamahal nandun talaga. Diba? Kumbaga nagiging marupok ka minsan. So, let's see what is the shadow work. Represent what? Represent, guys, with a wooden healer. Empathy, healing, and purpose. The wood is the place where light enter you, no? Yung mga naging sugat na yan, mga pinagdaanan nyo, no? Hinilom na yan, no? Kaya kasi sinasabi dito, parang marupok talaga. Para magiging marupok ka dito, no? Para magpapatawad ka, some of nowhere. Let's see what is the path of the light. Path of the light represent what? Appreciate, no? Kumbaga, marunong ka mag-appreciate ng mga bagay-bagay. I recognize the light is in my life and focus my thoughts on the beauty within around me. I give thanks for every little things that bring me joy, knowing that gratitude inspires for more positivity, surrounded by abundance. I am deeply grateful for all that life has blessed with me. Oh, talaga ba? Kumbaga, marunong ka magpahalaga lahat ng bagay, maliit man yan o malaki. So, there's something, guys, with a yes or no pick a card. No? Pumili ka na dito, guys, no? Mag-isip ka na questions nyo. Bumili kayo na sagot. Dahil kung ano yung unang babagsak na barahin yung number 1. Ayun yung pangalawang pick ng card ay yung number 2. Pick ng pangatlo yung number 3. So, mag-isip na kayo na question, guys. Isip-isip na. Okay, let's start with the number 1. Represent with a no. Oh, kailangan marunong ka humindi, no? And like oil and water separates, drip apart. So, ibig sabihin, hindi pwedeng pagsamahin, no? Ang tubig at langis, no? Na kailangan mo talagang magkaroon ng, kumbaga, pagbubukod or kailangan nyo talaga maghiwalay. No? Hindi kayo karapat-dapat para sa isa't isa. Totoo mo? And there's something, guys, with no again, cannot break the ice, chilly reception ng bleak, no? Ibig sabihin dito, guys, no? Hindi mo na mababago ang sitwasyon, no? Kailangan mo lang talagang harapin yung mga bagay na nasa sayo at hawak-hawak mo, no? Hindi mo kailangan yan takasan, hindi mo kailangan yan urungan, kailangan mong harapin. And there's something, yes, true north found, follow this direction, no? Kailangan mo magtiwala sa direksyon na ibinibigay sa iyo. No? Kaya ito binigay sa iyo ng ating Panginoon dahil dito ka pagpapalain, dito ka uunlad. Kaya kailangan mo magtiwala sa Kanya. So guys, this is the random gabay for the sign of Cancer yan. So Cancer, maraming salamat po for this wonderful reading. So maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pag-support sa akin channel, lalong-lalo na ang hindi nag-i-skip ng ads. So idoy, pagpalain ka ng Diyos at may kapal, siksik liglig, nag-uumapaw na biyayang manumbalik sa inyo. And of course, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. Maraming salamat guys and see you the next video. Bye-bye and babush!